Hey everyone, it's Heather, your certified high performance coach. Do you tend to watch too much Netflix or doom scroll on social media and then complain that there's not enough hours in the day to do all the things? Maybe you tend to binge eat all the foods that don't give you the energy that you need to sustain throughout the day. If you're there now, let me tell you that I have 100% been there. I've been there multiple times. I've gone through all the different diets. I tried different challenges, workout programs, accountability partners, goal charts, you name it. I tried so many different things to just try and get my goals aligned and the things that were important to me, just get them in gear. Then I found high performance habits, and suddenly when I started practicing them and putting them in motion, I had more energy. I felt more vibrant and joy and just more present in my life and for my family. What I didn't realize then that I know now is that I needed a coach. I needed those high performance habits. I needed that accountability partner to push me and to help me to foster those high performance habits that changed my life. So because I've found so much help in high performance habits and have so much more of a clear vision on the things that I need to do to have a more vibrant and present life, I'm gifting this to you for free. Yes, 100% free. I'm doing a workshop coming up. It's called Recharge, Refocus, Renew. And I'm making it free because I want it to be accessible and I want it to be an easy heck yes answer for you to sign up for it. It's a virtual workshop, so you can join in from anywhere. We're going to go over some of these high performance habit skills so that you too can be a high performer. Some of the world's highest performers do these skills that I'm going to teach you at this workshop. So come join me for free at my workshop called Recharge, Refocus, Renew. You can register on my website. Just go to wellnessrecreation.com/workshops. I hope you'll take advantage of this free tool and join me to be more recharged, more refocused, and more renewed. So sign up and get your spot at wellnessrecreation.com/workshops. Until then, take care and I'll see you soon.